Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is James the Trader channel. All right, so we are here today again with another unique strategy. So our target today is $1,000. You see 66 rounds already. You see total stake, total payout. You see the wins. You see the losses so far. I've been running this for just a couple of minutes before I started this video. All right, so this is the default is on over 0. Okay, I just hit my take profit target. All right, so if you want to get this bot, is a free bot, join the Telegram channel just beneath this video, the description of this video. All right, so in this channel we teach you legit ways to make money online. We teach you especially through trading. All right, so you see, so far I've just had 2 losses in a row. Okay, see winning streaks. We try as much as possible to bring. Okay, we've had 3 losses also. So try to, for me, because of how much I believe in this strategy, I only I started with $100 stake. All right, so only risk the much you are willing to lose. Okay, so for the over 0, this is a digit strategy, digits over a bot. So we are giving it free in our Telegram channel. Just join and you'll get it. So we are using the bot.deriv.com platform for this. The link to this platform is just beneath the description. So do well to join. Do well to use the link in the description so that you can also get some bonuses. All right, so this bot just hit my profit target just about now. All right, so how this thing works is that it will keep running over 0 till there is a loss, and then it begins to run over 5, and then after another loss it begins to run under 5. All right, so you see it's the derived market, continuous indices, volatility 25. All right, so I'm staking $1,000. You can change the expected profit, win stake, stop losses at your discretion. All right, these are some things, some codes. You might not have to know how to do this. Just ignore some of this if you're not good at coding. All right, so let's keep scrolling down so that we can know how this strategy works. All right, so are you seeing clearly that if we have losses, if we don't have any loss, we keep trading over 0. When loss is equal to 0, we trade over 0. All right, so when your loss is equal to 1 or greater than 1, we begin trading over 5. We begin trading over 5. But when your loss is greater than 2 or equal to 2, we now begin to trade under 5. So that's how this bot works. We can tweak it whenever we see that it no longer works that way. So if not, when the loss is above 3, we keep trading. If there's another loss again greater than 3, we keep trading over 5. All right, okay, so this is how this bot works, and that's what you could see there. We had lots of wins, lots of wins, lots of wins, lots of wins, lots and lots and lots of wins. All right, you see there was after a loss, after this loss, we started trading over 5, and then there was a loss again, and then we moved on to trading under 5, and then we got it right. Okay, so this is how the strategy works. If you want to get this bot, go to the description of this video and join the Telegram channel. The bot is there for free, completely free. I'll be sharing it free for you, and there will be several other strategies we'll be revealing to you through this channel. So we hit our take profit target of $1,000. We had 62 wins and 6 losses. This is real. This is real. Look at this streaks. It's good. We advise you you do this. You trade at night for this strategy. All right. So we from the bot.deriv platform we go to binary bots. All right, and then we load our you load the bot, and then the bot appears this way. All right, the bot appears this way when you've loaded it. You can change the stakes and the win stake and all the rest. So look at the settings here. You don't have to bother yourself to change anything. All right, so these are our wins. These are our wins. These are our wins. Very good strategy. There are several other strategies we'll be revealing apart from automated bots this way. We'll be revealing several other strategies like the ones on Smart Trader. We'll also be teaching you crypto trading if you're interested, forex strategies, everything about trading the markets. So do well to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe so that you would not miss any of our subsequent videos. Click on the notification bell so that you would not miss out. You'll be the first to be notified. All right, it's James the Trader Strategies again. It's nice to have you. All right, bye.